Hi friends, we continue to talk about our favorite project Crodo. Almost every ambassador had difficulty with the logo task. I want to tell you how to do it right to get the most points. And also we will analyze everything on explain. Let's go to the ambassador personal account, scroll down and see the task. Create a creative Crodo logo in the real world and post it on social media. I was given only 50 points for this task, and I want to share how to get more. What it means is to create a logo in the real world. This means creating a logo, for example, from improvised devices or drawing it on the sand. Perhaps it can be a logo from Calteri. It doesn't have to be a logo painted in Paint or Photoshop. Let's move on to practical examples. I have selected for you several logos displayed by the ambassadors on Twitter, and we'll analyze each of them. The first art was made by Yana Sokovet, so beautiful from piece as far as I understand. So original, the girl tried. Next we see Evgeny drawing the Crodo logo with pencils. It looks very nice on a grey metal background. Great job, I would put the maximum score. Olechka 2022 printed the Crodo logo on her polar bear. It is very cute. I think Crodo generously appreciated her work. 4. Nazar drew such a logo with a crown and photographed it against the backdrop of the city, probably Europe. Originally, Dmitry Medvedev painted a logo. He is probably a professional artist. Very beautiful work. I think he definitely got the highest score. Vlad and his friends cut out the Crodo logo from colored paper. It also turned out original. Helga made such a beautiful logo out of left tats. I like. Vladimir Serikov put the printed Crodo logo on such a wooden sailor's board, and in the background the lake. Good. And the last for today, the same also painted Crodo on the sand near the pond. It also looks very original. As you can see, people make a logo out of anything they have and where they are. There are many very interesting works that deserve the highest scores. And now let's see what my mistake was. I drew the Crodo logo on a piece of paper, simple pens. The picture itself was not very high quality, so try to make an interesting original logo and take a good picture of him. Once you have made and photographed your logo, you need to post it on Twitter with hashtags. You can view them by clicking on the mem tasks. Just copy these hashtags and pass them into your Twitter post, and then copy the link to your post and send for a review. That's all. I will repeat once again. The main thing is to make an original logo and take a good picture of it. The Crodo team will appreciate it and be sure to give it a good score. Also, the logo can only be set once. I think it was useful for you today. We analyzed examples of logos. I told you exactly what it should look like and how to get 300 points. Thank you. Until the next video.